So I had double folded fabric here. It's already sewn up from both sides. So what I'm just going to do is very quick and easy way. Fold it in half. And I'm going to cut shoulder hole. I will be cutting shoulder hole. Don't need to be perfect. The next step, I'm going to fold this one here like this. Both sides. I'll sew here, and then I'll make a stripe with the orange fabric, and then I'll put through it. And here you just need to fold it just like this and sew it. And then you need to fold down, or if you want you can just add some colorful fabric. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sew the armholes first. Easiest way is to fold it like this twice and then just sew it. So this armhole is ready. Now repeat the same thing here. Alright everyone, as you can see, so armholes are done, and now I'm going to fold it like this and sew it here, both sides, front and back. Okay, it's done. I sew both sides. Now I'm going to put this stripes. I'm going to put this in. The next thing I'm going to sew the bottom part. This one is ready now. Let's do the bottom part. Okay everyone, so this one is ready. The top part is ready as well. So last thing here, I'm going to draw a line. You can put the elastic here and the thin one elastic, and then you can sew. But here I'm going to use elastic thread, and that's it. So just to draw a straight line. Here's my bobbin head with the elastic thread, and on the top of the machine is a normal thread. So this is how I use elastic thread. So as you can see, it's already gathering. Okay everyone, so this is how it looks like. It's all gathered. And it's stretchy. And this is how it looks like from inside. So that is elastic thread.